Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Meitu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here, we just click here on me. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on system accesses management here. When you just click here on system accesses management, come to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on location accesses here. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to photo edit frames. So then you click in this sign here, that like you see this color for us. Now like you see here, photo edit frames, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.